Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by reading the terminal error text and note the exact error phrase and code. Capture the message so you can search and compare solutions reliably. Next, check which shell Vscode is configured to use and confirm that shell exists on your system path. Open Settings and search for Terminal Integrated Shell to view any overrides. Also inspect launch configurations and workspace settings for terminal-specific changes that could redirect or break the shell. If the shell path is wrong, update the integrated shell path to a valid executable in settings. If commands are not found, reset path or other environment variables that the terminal inherits from the operating system. If a specific extension interferes, disable recent terminal or shell extensions and restart Vscode. For remote or container workspaces, reconnect the remote host or rebuild the container to ensure the terminal uses the correct environment. Run the same shell externally in your OS terminal to see if the error reproduces outside Vscode. If the problem only appears in Vscode, open Developer Tools and inspect the console for terminal extension or renderer errors. You can reset user settings or move the settings folder temporarily to test for configuration corruption. As a last resort, reinstall Vscode or restore from a recent backup to repair damaged core files and extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.